Breaking news tonight in the disappearance of Alabama beauty Natalee Holloway, missing off her high school senior trip, Aruba. Aruban police couldn't or wouldn't make a case against Judge's son, Jorn Vandersloot, in the disappearance of Holloway, even after high-tech secret surveillance catches him describing the night the Alabama beauty was killed. And Randy Kessler, well known in the Atlanta jurisdiction, thank you for being with us.
Nobody's going to come forward and say, hey, by the way, I acted corruptly in this case. Let me now tell the truth. What's done is done, and this case is not going to go anywhere, and it wouldn't have anyway, Nancy.
What about it, Randy Kessler?
I think Paul did his job as a father, as a lawyer. He protected his son, kept him out of harm's way for a long time. Time is on this defendant's side. Memories fade, witnesses disappear, and there's been no body. I think his father did a good job if he was protecting his son.
Put Kessler up.
I didn't say it was ethical. I didn't say I agree with it.
I don't believe I asked you anything else. Randy, you have children, don't you?
Absolutely. Got a beautiful daughter.
And in light of the fact that Dave Holloway is with us tonight, Natalee's father, I couldn't see you when you said Paulus Vandersloot did a good job in covering up for his son. Do you want to rephrase that in any way?
Sure. If that's what his intent was to protect his son and keep his son out of jail, then he accomplished that. I wasn't making judgment on it. I don't think it was good, and I certainly don't like it, and I don't approve of it. But if that was his goal, he achieved his goal.
It's true that you can prosecute a case without a body, but you can't prosecute a case based on admissions and confessions alone. That's all they've got against Jorn Vandersloot.
Hold on. Peter, you're absolutely correct in the United States. I don't know if that's exactly correct in the Netherlands. Randy Kessler, he's talking about the fact that if all you have is a confession by the defendant, that's not enough to go on. But there is some other evidence. Sure. There are the Calpo brothers. There is video of him, Jorn Vandersloot, leaving a bar with Natalee just before she goes missing. That could be deemed corroboration, Randy Kessler.
Right, and you can have 1% corroboration. All you need is something to corroborate it, and that's all it is. And when you have that confession, if any of those confessions come in or him admitting it, that tape gets in front of any jury. I can't imagine a jury not giving that severe weight and possibly convicting. I think he's gonna step in it sooner or later. OJ stepped in it, other people stepped in it. He's gonna pay the price sooner or later.